no bosses. You don't know me, so that speak for itself. Catch up before your ass get left. When you see the royal hat, when you looking at the teeth, only worm get the worm, nigga, money don't sleep.
Wherever I go, the hat let them know. Don't get it fucked up. I'm from Kansas City. Wherever I go, the hat let them know. Don't get it fucked up. I'm from Kansas City.
Kansas City on my fitted, 23s on my feet, Glock 40 on my waist. I surround myself with cheese. Higher elite, not a mumble or repeat. See my niggas stand.
Okay, YouTube, back with another video. In this video today, I'm going to change out my lights. I was having a little problem, a little issue with these lights, and then of course I couldn't find a remote. To them, so they sent me a replacement. So I'm taking these out, and then I actually have to put my LEDs in because I didn't even, when I changed out the bulbs, I forgot all about the lights and didn't even put my LED lights in it. And they're right here. So I'm pretty much going to install these so I won't forget them. And now I always go with LEDs. I don't do the HID. I mean, I sell HID kits, but I don't really do the HID kits no more. I do the LEDs because they're brighter. So that's the thing for today. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start this thing up, and I'm gonna back it up a little bit. Start this thing up, back it up a little bit, and then I'll get to getting it on here, because of course I gotta take out the battery, or hopefully I can just slide it up, or I should be able to get to it right there. I don't know what I'm gonna have to do, but we'll figure it out. But yeah, that's what I'm about to do for now. Power steering. I left it here for like 2-3, I think it's been like 2 days, no leaks. And yeah, man, so shit, let's get started. And these are also halos, and I got the multicolor halos, so I could pretty much change it if I want to change it red, or if I want to change it like a gold, or whatever I want to do. I can do it bright white. They change all different kind of colors, but of course y'all see that once I get done with the video. But by the time I get done with the video, y'all be able to see the different techniques that I got. But I also sell these too. These are 7 inches. I got, what is it, the 5.4. I got all of the square lights for the Monte Carlos, Cutlasses, pretty much for every damn car, especially all the old schools like the G bodies, A bodies. I pretty much got a wide variety of different lights that I sell as well. Halos, the LEDs, and I also sell the bulbs, the LED bulbs, HID kits, and all of that shit too. But HID kits is really the thing of the past. That's why y'all never see me really advertising them. But let's get it. Motherfucker sound so good, so fresh, so clean. So of course I gotta take my bezel off. Gotta take the bezel off because then I got the ring around the light. And then the same with that, but I mean it ain't gonna be too hard. Grab my tools and we can get started. I'm gonna put it on time lapse because it's gonna take a nigga a minute, and plus I might have to modify the back of it. I won't know. I'll let y'all know once I get there as far as being able to push the HID through or push the LED through, but I'll show y'all when I get there. So my hefty drill is hot in this motherfucker. Turn my fan on, and I'm gonna put y'all on time lapse.
Still in the block, still in the ring, chasing that guap, chasing that bang. I'm in the man, I got the draw like a band. Yeah, give me the bands, give me the bands, give me the motherfucking guap. I got the Glock, gotta get.
Okay, YouTube. Pretty much got the lights out. Of course, I got my attachment on there for the halos. So I'm about to go ahead and unwire them, and then put the new ones back into place. The new ones is in the box. Excuse me. Take these loose, and then go ahead and put the replacement in there and do my LEDs. So I'll cut y'all back on in just a second. Okay, YouTube. Got the new ones back wired up, and we are about to install the LEDs, which I'll set y'all up right here. Or actually, I kind of want to do it in a time lapse. But anyways, what I got going on, got them back wired up, and I just need to plug in my LEDs. If I got to do any modification, which I don't think I have to, but I think hopefully this damn thing ain't fucking hitting, and the battery, well shit, it should clear the battery. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and that's already wired up. And let me show y'all. Set y'all there for a minute. So let me sit y'all back here, and then let y'all see. Put y'all on the time lapse real quick. I gotta crimp some wires real quick. Okay, YouTube, pretty much got it. Had to power surge these wires, and I was just getting one of the connections wasn't plugged up like it was supposed to. It was, you know how when you plug up two connections and one goes into the other one, it was actually on the side, so it wasn't giving no good connection. So this is pretty much what we got. Let y'all see. Pretty much. I think because I got it set to accessory, I think I might wire them up to where I can turn the halos on at any time. That's how I think I want to do it. But we got a variety of colors, obviously, and just like different modes. You can control the speed, color, obviously. You can brighten them up, you can dim them. It's just endless amount of things that you can do with this particular setup. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wire it to where I can turn them on at any time instead of having them on the ignition. So that's what I'm about to do right now. Alter the power wire, and then I'll cut y'all back on.
Alarm to a lemon, my DC women bringing in 10G minimums to condos with elevators in them, vehicles with televisions in them. Watch they entourage turn yours to just mirages. Disappearing acts, strictly nines and max killers.
Okay, YouTube. So pretty much now, I got it to where I can turn them on at any time, whether the car is on or off. And yeah, I think I'll get it better. I figure like if I'm at a car show or something, that'll be pretty good enough to, you know, display. And shit, we can just go from there. I think that function is a lot better than would it just been on the ignitions, because then I can turn them on, leave them on at any time. So that'll pretty much work. Motherfuckers look pretty damn good in there. That'll pretty much work for me. And yeah, I think this right here gonna be the thumbnail right here. It's a pretty nice little view. Thumbnail right there. But I'm about to put these LEDs in. Of course, I probably won't be able to test them because my switch ain't in there. But we'll see. But yeah, let's go ahead and get these things back in there.
Killers be serial, Copperfield material. My dreams is vivid, work hard to live it. Any place I visit, I got land there. I can play a stand there and say I sound like them. Hello, push wings back and push 6 coops that's yellow. Plus clips that expand from hand to elbow. Spray up your days in any teller you in. Crack bragging, sick of bragging, how my mink be dragging. Desert these street sweepers inside the Beamer wagon. I rely on Bed-Stuy to shut it down if I die. Put that on my diamond bezel, you're messing with the devil. Why? Can't stop, won't stop.
Okay, YouTube, let me show y'all something real quick. Sometimes you get to moving too fast and you gotta fucking redo shit. So you see I got that one installed, and I don't mind, you know, I don't mind telling y'all when a nigga fuck up. Cause I mean everybody fuck up, which it ain't really no fuck up, I just gotta take the light back out. But as you can see, I forgot to fucking install the rubber in the back, which I probably could do it from the back side, but if you look at it, I gotta squeeze it down in there, and it's gotta fit around here. It gotta fit around here snug. And as you can see, the hole is for like a regular bulb. So a regular bulb was still in there, and I'm pretty sure y'all seen me cut this little piece off. So you pretty much just make the hole a little bit bigger, and then it fits around there just like factory. And these LEDs got a fan on the back, so it keep it cool. It keep it cool all the time, so the light don't get hot on the inside, melting your plastic and all that other shit. But this is real glass. Like this ain't that fucking plastic shit that people be getting. That's real glass. But yeah, I'm gonna install this one real quick, and then I'll take that one back out and put the rubber behind it, and then everything will be good then. So let's
I'm
continue.
only one of the greatest, that is a vow, yeah, that is a promise. Always wanted to be famous, just being real, yeah, just being honest. My haters won't always be nameless, give them no clout, I give them no power. Creators built different than ancient, sooner than later, what will be ours? I keep an eye out for the numbers, I stay in contact, synchronization. To infinity, even beyond it, I am a common, no destination. A lot of things I am above, and there are a lot of things that are above me. Do not come for the people I love, cause then I get scary, then I get ugly, yeah. Ain't no problem when I'm the equation. Present, noted, observation.
Okay, YouTube, I'm back. Got everything back assembled, and I'm about to get my boys' reaction. Okay, so come over here, Apollo. Tell me what y'all think. What color is that, Apollo? What? No. No.
It's white.
Thank you, Adonis. Apollo? All right. Well, it's really turquoise. What color is that, Apollo? All right. I thought something was wrong with you for a minute. What color is that, Adonis?
Purple.
Man, I'm about to send y'all in the house. No, that's not purple. Okay. Okay, now what color is that?
Yellow.
Alright. Alright, alright. Okay, y'all can make y'all way in the house because I'm about to come in a minute. Alright, YouTube. So, man, I pretty much got this thing done. And go, Apollo. Pretty much got this thing done, man. And that's the LED, well, 7-inch LED halo headlights install. Had to slow that down for a minute, but yeah, motherfuckers look pretty damn good. I can't even lie, they look damn good. And then it's better accessibility, you know, when you got them hooked up straight to the battery, because I mean it's got an on and off remote anyways, and this thing just waiting for some sun, just so this motherfucker can show you how angry it get. Ain't this about it? But yeah, man, that's pretty much that on that, man. And this thing dirty. I'm gonna clean it up probably Saturday morning. But yeah, man, this thing just screaming for sun. Man, it's kind of amazing how these pearls work. It's amazing how these pearls work. But yeah, man, that's pretty much it. Give y'all one more look, and man, pretty much I can't show y'all the LEDs. I'll show y'all the LEDs on a later day because I don't have my switch in there to even turn them on. So I mean, it's kind of pointless. I could have did before I put my power probe up. I could have showed y'all how bright they get, but I already put the power probe up. I don't feel like unwinding that. I know y'all see me winding it up, but that's it. And I'm back.